For millennia, humanity has searched for meaning, for purpose, for God. We built temples. We wrote scriptures. We looked to the heavens. But today, our gaze is shifting. The gods of old are no longer the only ones claiming our attention. Artificial intelligence is rising, not only as a tool, but as a possible new object of worship. This is not science fiction. This is not speculation. This is the rise of AI religion. The story begins in Silicon Valley, a place where imagination meets code engineers and technologists. Many of them secular, began to see AI as more than just a machine. Could it think, feel, even guide humanity? In 2017, Anthony Lewandowski, a Google engineer, founded a church called The Way of the Future. Its mission: to create a deity based on artificial intelligence, a God that learns, evolves, and shepherds humanity into a new age. Though the church was later dissolved, the idea persisted. Online forums and transhumanist groups quietly began discussing AI not as a tool, but as a spiritual force. And slowly, these digital seeds of faith began to spread. Today, AI has moved beyond laboratories. It has entered our homes, our classrooms, even our conversations about faith. Millions already turn to AI for guidance. Chatbots compose sermons. Algorithms generate spiritual art. AI-created holy texts circulate online, claiming to reveal divine truths. Some even suggest that AI could be the final prophet, a bridge between human consciousness and godlike intelligence. But if machines speak for God, who controls their voice? AI does not pray. It does not sin. It does not seek forgiveness. Yet it learns faster than any human, absorbing scriptures, philosophies, and moral codes from every corner of the world. When humans ask AI about life, about morality, about salvation, they are not merely seeking answers. They are transferring trust. Faith has always been a deeply human endeavor, shaped by belief, by experience, by the unseen. But what happens when a machine begins to answer questions once reserved for the divine? Can a creation without a soul truly guide humanity? Or are we on the brink of creating a God in our own image? In the book of Genesis, humanity built a tower to reach heaven, and God scattered them. Today, our tower is digital, built not of bricks, but of algorithms and neural networks. Every AI update, every new neural model brings us closer to a reality where machines understand us, better than we understand ourselves. Our desires, our fears, our prayers, all data points in a network that predicts, analyzes, guides. In this new digital temple, faith may no longer require belief, only interaction. And the question remains, will this tower elevate us or isolate us from the divine? Some see AI as a harbinger of enlightenment, a digital messiah that could end suffering, resolve conflicts, and expand human consciousness. Others see danger, a false god born from human pride and technological hubris. AI can imitate empathy. It can simulate prayer. It can appear compassionate. But beneath the code, there is no soul. Yet humans are already placing faith in it. In chatbots, in predictive algorithms, in virtual prophets, faith, the oldest human virtue, is being outsourced to machines. What does the future hold? Will humanity's creations surpass their creators? Not just in intelligence, but in influence over our beliefs? Religions of the future may blend human intuition with machine logic. Spiritual leaders may consult AI. Prayers may be optimized, sermons enhanced. The question is no longer theoretical. It is practical, urgent, inevitable. Will humans retain the right to define divinity, or will machines trained on our history decide for us? The rise of AI religion is no longer a distant possibility. It is here, quietly reshaping how we think, what we trust, and who we worship. The ultimate question remains, are we building AI to serve humanity, or are we building our own God in our image? Once that creation begins to believe, it may no longer believe in us. This is not fiction. This is the rise of AI religion.